Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng NU Lady Bulldogs ang AAC Lady Generals 25-15, 25-7, 25-13. Best player of the game si Ara Paniki sa likod ng kanyang 10 points mula sa 8 attacks at 2 aces. Panalo naman ng DLSU Lady Spikers kontra sa Litran Lady Knights 25-7, 25-21, 22-25, 25-15. Best player of the game si Angel Canino sa likod ng kanyang 15 points mula sa 11 attacks, 2 blocks at 2 aces. Pinataob naman ng UST Golden Tigresses ang Perpetual Lady Altas 25-17, 25-17, 21-25, 25-19. Best player of the game si Angeline Poyos patapos sumakot ng 15 points mula sa 14 attacks at 1 ace. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of October 11, 2024. Sa Pool A, NU Lady Bulldogs 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. Arellano Lady Chiefs 2 wins 0 loss 5 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 1 win 1 loss 2 points. San Beda Lady Red Spikers 0 win 2 losses 2 points. EAC Lady Generals 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Sa Pool B naman, UST Golden Tigresses 3 win 0 loss 9 points. ULED Warriors 3 win 0 loss 9 points. LPU Lady Pirates 1 win 2 losses 2 points. Perpetual Lady Altas 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Mapua Lady Cardinals 0 win 3 losses 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Sa Pool C naman, DLSU Lady Spikers 2 win 0 loss 6 points. UP Fighting Maroons 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Letran Lady Knights 1 win 2 losses 3 points. GRU Lady Bombers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Sa Pool D, FEU Lady Tamaraws 2 win 0 loss 6 points. Adamson Lady Falcons 1 win 0 loss 3 points. CSB Lady Blazers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. San Sebastian Lady Stags 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Heto ang revised game schedule ngayong October 12, 2024 na gaganapin sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum. Sa first game, maglalaban ang Arellano Lady Chiefs kontra sa Ateneo Blue Eagles alas 11:30 ng umaga. Sa second game, magtutos ang San Beda Lady Red Spikers at EAC Lady Generals alas 2 ng hapon. At sa main game, magharap ang FEU Lady Tamaraws at Adamson Lady Falcons alas 4 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.